Today we are going to continue our lesson, The Call of the Soil, Saint of Rice. Okay, the page number of this lesson is of this passage is 30 of the textbook and 31. Okay, in last passage we discussed about that writer was in search of the Kasbai rice, and for that he went to the Dev Handi, and he informed that they get Kasbai rice in a hamlet at the foothill of the mountain in next village Asarwari. Okay, now we are going to continue the lesson on page number 30. In Asarwari village, we asked the Sarpanch to help to sorry Sarpanch to help us, as we were not very fluent with the local dialect. Okay, local dialect, it means dialect. This is the word dialect. It means the form of language that is spoken in particular area. डायलेक्ट, प्रांतीय भाषा, बोली भाषा ज्याला म्हटलं जातं, दॅट इज डायलेक्ट. आसारवरी, इट इज द विलेज ऑफ आदिवासी, अँड दॅट्स वाय रायटर वॉज नॉट एबल टू फ्लुएंट इन विथ देअर लोकल डायलेक्ट, अँड दॅट्स वाय दे रिक्वेस्ट सरपंच ऑफ दॅट विलेज दॅट to help them in any way. He sent his assistant Jeevan with us into the hills, and for that Sarpanch sent his assistant Jeevan with them into the hills. After half hour walk through thick vegetation, that means considered collectively, the plants considered collectively, झाडी ज्याला मराठीमध्ये म्हणतात, झाडी. Okay, after half hour walk through the thick vegetation, crossing numerous stream and detaches, and scrambling over rocks and gravel, we reached a sleepy hamlet of Boripada. Okay, after walking half an hour by crossing the vegetation, crossing the numerous stream and detaches, it means क्या बोलेंगे उसे, drainage, okay, small drainage, and scrambling over rocks and gravel, one kind of sand, क्या बोलेंगे उसे, वाळू, रेती. We reached the sleepy hamlet of बोरीपाड़ा के वो जगह पे वो पहुँचे आधे घंटे के बाद. झाड़ियाँ, स्ट्रीम्स एंड कुछ नाले वगैरह क्रॉस करके वो वहाँ पे पहुँचे. वी रीच द स्लीपी हैमलेट ऑफ बोरीपाड़ा. There were just two ramshackle houses in front of us. When they reached Boripada, they saw only two ramshackles. Ramshackles, it means in a state of severe disrepair. Okay, जिसे क्या बोलेंगे, क्रम्बलिंग, तकलादू. जहाँ जब वो बोरीपाड़ा पहुँचे तो ऐसे दो घर थे जो बिल्कुल तकलादू थे, कभी भी गिर सकते थे. ऐसे घरों के सामने वो पहुँचे इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस, एंड वी वॉन्डर्ड इफ दिस वॉज द राइट प्लेस. Okay, this was the right place. After some wondering, they wondered that this was the right place where they want to get information about the Kasbai. A wrinkled old woman. 1 minute. A wrinkled old woman sitting before one of the houses looked at us with curiosity. In front of that ramshackles houses, a wrinkled woman, it means she was very old woman, and that's why there was a wrinkles in her on her face, and she looked very curiously with toward writer. As we approached her, we signaled to Jeevan to ask the crucial question. Okay, as soon as they reached to the old lady, then as soon as they reached to the old lady, that they signaled Jeevan to ask the crucial question. Crucial, very much important. Okay, she muttered in reply, and we looked Jeevan for a quick interpretation. After, when Jeevan asked some question to her, then she muttered some words, and because writer could not understand the language of that old lady, that's why they looked at Jeevan for quick interpretation, explanation. He broke into smile and informed us that she did have rice and wanted to know who we were and why we wanted it. Um, Jivan give information to the writer that there was a she had a rice and she wanted to know who they are and why they wanted that kasbai rice. Okay, here in this passage in in this passage we have to understand that sorry, we can use as soon as here as यहाँ से as we approached her we signaled Jeevan to ask crucial question. Use as soon as and no sooner than. As soon as and no sooner than भी. No sooner than. ओके यू हैव टू यूज दैट नो सूनर देन. तो एज सुन एज कैसे, एज के जगह पे क्या लिखना है, एज सुन एज वी अप्रोच हर, कॉमा देना है, उसके बाद लिखना है वी सिग्नल टू जीवन टू आस्क द क्रुशियल क्वेश्चन. देयर आफ्टर नो सूनर देन के क्या करेंगे, एज निकालना है, यहाँ पे नो सूनर डिड लिखना है क्योंकि अप्रोच इज इन पास्ट टेंस, दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू राइट आफ्टर नो सूनर डिड. ओके, नो सूनर डिड वी ऑलरेडी वी यूज डिड, दैट्स व्हाई अप्रोच्ड बिकम अप्रोच, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. नो सूनर डिड वी अप्रोच, ईडी निकालना है, हर देन, यहाँ पे देन लिखना है, वी सिग्नल टू जीवन टू आस्क द क्रुशियल क्वेश्चन. ओके, ही ब्रोक इनटू अ स्माइल एंड wanted to eat. Okay, fine. Next passage. It was difficult task to keep a straight face and I had to control the strong desire to hug her. Okay, where as soon as the writer comes to know that she had kasbai rice, variety of the kasbai rice, and that's why he becomes so happy that it was very difficult for him to control himself, a strong desire to hug her. Okay, writer wanted to hug that wrinkled lady who responds them that she had rice kasbai. ओके उसके पास कस्बाई नाम का राइस है. ये जब उस लेडी ने बोला तो राइटर को ऐसे लगा कि मैं जाके उसे हक करूं, तो ये उसका क्या था, ये कंट्रोल नहीं कर पा रहे थे. दिस वाज द वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क फॉर देम हिम. After searching for months, we had found the elusive Kasbai. We explained to her that we were from Peth nearby and we needed the seeds to grow it. Okay, because that lady wanted to know who they are and from where they came and why they wanted Kasbai. Then writer asked her that they were from nearby place, that is Pet, and they needed the seeds to grow it. Okay, so, he explained. Then we asked for 10 kilograms of rice. Thereafter he asked for 10 kilogram rice. She muttered and scold show the disgrace. It means आठ्या, कपाळावरती आठ्या पडणे. She doesn't understand what the writer said. Okay, that's why she muttered and scolded. Jeevan interpreted that she had never heard of Page village and also did not have weighing scale. Okay, she muttered that she did not hear because of they are Adivasi and lived near the foothill of the mountains, and that's why she didn't know about the village, that is Pet, and she when writer asked her to give them 10 kilograms of rice, then she had no weighing scale. Okay, she was willing. She was she was willing to give seeds only in basket. Okay, she can give that seeds only in basket, that is टोपलं, ज्याला टोपलं म्हणतो आपण ते. We asked for the single basket of rice and Jeevan told us to pay her something. Okay, then writer asked the lady to give single basket of the rice and Jeevan told writer that to pay her something. That's why I handed over 100 rupees note. For the first time in the last 10 minutes, her face broke into the smile and she nodded her head in approval. She agreed with that rupees, 100 rupees. when Jivan told them that when Jivan told them to pay her something, then writer handed over 100 rupees, and by seeing that 100 rupees, she become very happy. There was a smile on her face, and she nodded her head in approval. Okay, in last passage. As we walked back against the fading sunset, leaving behind a smile old lady, I couldn't help but wonder that here, nestling in the hills of an unknown mountain, away from the hustle and bustle and of the road or city, were the real people of India. Okay, क्या बोलते राइटर? As we walked back after after taking that 10 kilogram, sorry, one basket of the rice of Kasbai, they come back, and the time was it was the time of sunset, when they leaving that small village, small hamlet, smiling with a smiling old lady. He could not help but wonder that they here, nestling in the foothills of an unknown mountain, away from the hustle and bustle of the road or city, were the real people of India. The writer thought that the Adivasis are real people of India, very real people of India. They are away from the hustle bustle of the city, and they live at the foothills of the mountain, and maintain the quality of their food. Okay, got it. यहाँ पे हसल बसल भी आया है, और आपको ये जो सेंटेंस है कौन सा, एज वी वॉक, तो यहाँ पे आपको अंडरलाइन, सॉरी सॉरी एक सेकेंड, हाँ, आई कुडंट हेल्प, ये जो सेंटेंस है आई कुडंट हेल्प, यू हैव टू यूज द एबल टू, आई कुडंट, तो क्या आएगा, आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू, because couldn't, it is the negative abbreviation, that's why you have to use that I was not able to. Okay, now in another passage, there were people who still held on to rich biodiversity of our land, and no one even cared about them. Okay, these were the people who lived at the foothill of the mountains. These were the people who still held on the rich biodiversity of our land, and no one even cared about them. Except them, no one even cared about them. They are only people who held on to rich biodiversity, जैविक विविधता जिसे बोलेंगे अलग अलग. Okay, they had never heard the hybrid fertilizers and pesticides. Okay, she never heard about pet nearest village, but and obviously they also had never heard the hybrid fertilizers or pesticide. They take crop of rice naturally, and that's why they are the real people of India. They just grew their rice and ate what they got. Okay, they just grew the rice and ate what they got. दे नेवर यूज पेस्टिसाइड फर्टिलाइजर्स और हाइब्रिड. जो वो राइस को वो जो बोते थे, जो वही उगाते थे और उसी को खाते थे. तो द ओल्ड लेडी वी मेट हैड प्रोबेबली नेवर लेफ्ट बोरीपाड़ा. Her word was unspoiled by the progress, and for once I was grateful for that. Okay, it may be possible ki that the writer never go to the Boripada, or never left Boripada, but her world was unspoiled by the progress, and for that the writer was grateful for it. Okay, this was the passage of our. Here we can. Uh, आफ्टर प्लस आईएनजी यू कैन यूज. आफ्टर प्लस आईएनजी, आफ्टर प्लस आईएनजी, तो क्या कहेंगे, जो पहला सेंटेंस रहता है वहाँ का जो पहला मेन वर्ब रहता है उसका हमें आईएनजी फॉर्म लिखना है. ओके, क्या करेंगे, आफ्टर ग्रोइंग देयर राइस, एंड को क्रॉस करना है, निकालना है, बाद में जो सब्जेक्ट होता है वो लिखना है. आफ्टर ग्रोइंग देयर राइस दे एट व्हाट दे गॉट. ओके, इन दिस वे वी कैन यूज आफ्टर प्लस आईएनजी. ठीक है, उसके बाद अनस्पॉइल्ड, सॉरी एक सेकेंड, आई वॉज ग्रेटफुल, आई वॉज ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट। तो यहाँ पे आपको एक्सक्लेमेटिव सेंटेंस बनाना है, हाउ ग्रेटफुल आई वॉज फॉर दैट, और एक्सक्लेमेटिव मार्क देना है। तो यहाँ पे अपना पैसेज लेसन भी कंप्लीट होता है। यू हैव टू सॉल्व द एक्टिविटीज विच आर गिवन इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक ऑल्सो, ओके, एंड रीड द पैसेज केयरफुली अगेन।